Good morning, Standard 2 students. Today we will start this chapter number 6, air. So open your book at page number 43. Let's read with me. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel its presence. Air is a mixture of many gases and particles. Air has water vapor. We can see little dewdrops on leaves. In cold mornings, after the sun comes up, the dewdrops disappear. Where do they go? We hang wet clothes in the sunlight to dry. Where do the water in the clothes go? Water becomes water vapor and mixes with air. So students, look, we hang our wet clothes to dry in the sunlight. After some time, we can see that our clothes become dry. Why? Because there is sunlight. In the sunlight, the water of our clothes become vapor in the sunlight. So remember, there is water vapor in the air. So remember, every time in the heat of the sun, water becomes water vapor and this water vapor mixes in the air. If a glass full of ice cube is kept in the open, what do we see after some time? Little drops of water on the outside of the cold glass. Where did this water come from? Yes, from the water vapor in the air. Clouds are formed from the water vapor in the air. Students, if we keep a glass full of ice cube, after some time we can see there are little drops of water on the outside of the cold glass. Why? Because from the air, water vapor comes and gather on the outside of the glass. For the coolness of the glass, the water vapor gathers here. In this same process, the clouds are formed from the water vapor in the air. Come to the next page. All living things need air. We know that we need air. However, air is not always clean because air has dust, air has smoke, air has germs. Now let us read. Air has dust. We can see many small particles lit up by a beam of sunlight in a dark room. See, in a dark room we can see air particles in the beam of the sunlight. These are dust particles. Dust settle on the tabletops in rooms which are not cleaned regularly. So student, if we not clean a table, we can see dust on the table. If you run a finger on such a surface, you can see the dust on your fingertip. Sweeping of floors and blowing wind raise dust that mixes with the air. When we sweep or when wind blow, dust raise and mixes with the air. Air has smoke. Smoke comes out of chimneys in factories and from the exhaust of vehicles. So smoke comes from chimneys in factories and from vehicles. This smoke mixes with air, making it dirty. Smoke makes the air dirty. Breathing air with lot of smoke in it can make us ill. Smokes of factories and vehicles are very harmful to our health. We have to cover our mouth when we can see smokes around us. Air has germs. Germs are very small but harmful living things. So we all know about germs. Germs are very harmful. Germs make us ill. When someone who is ill sneezes, look, he is sneezing, or coughs, germs comes out and spread in the air. When someone who is ill sneezes or coughs, we should cover our mouth and the ill person should cover his mouth so that germs cannot spread out and make us ill. So we should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. Germs are found in the air close to dirty places like garbage vats. Breathing in germs can make us ill. germs spread in the air. If we breathe in germs, we can fall ill, and we have to clean our surroundings. Like the garbage vats, open garbage vats are very harmful to us. So students, this is your homework for today. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Dash becomes water vapor and mixes with the dash. Water becomes water vapor and mixes with the air. Dash are formed from the water vapor in the air. Clouds are formed from the water vapor in the air. Air is a dash of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases. Smoke comes out of chimneys in dash. Smoke comes out of chimneys in factories. Sweeping of floors raise dash that mixes with air. Sweeping of floors raise dust that mixes with air. Last, when someone who is ill sneezes or coughs, dash come out. When someone who is ill sneezes or coughs, germs come out. So, do this homework in your copy. Hope today's topic is clear to you. Read this chapter carefully. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.